In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bug in Jira. We'll walk through this process slowly and clearly so that, by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up bug tracking in your project. This is especially useful if you're just getting started with Jira, or if your team recently decided to track defects in a more structured way. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira instance and that you've opened the project or space where you want to track bugs. On the left side of your screen, or near the top depending on your layout, you will see a list of spaces or projects. Look for the project where the bug should be reported. Next, find the plus sign that appears beside the space or project name. This plus sign is usually used for adding new items or configuring what types of work you can create. Click on that plus sign. This tells Jira that you want to add or configure something related to that specific project. After you click the plus sign, a menu or configuration panel will appear. Here, look for the option labeled Work Type, or something similar. This is where Jira lets you define the different kinds of items your team can create, such as tasks, stories, or bugs. Go ahead and click on Work Type. Once you're in the Work Type area, you'll see a list of existing work types already available for your project. To add a new one, look for a button or link that says Add Work Type. This is usually clearly visible on the screen. Click on Add Work Type to start setting up a new type of issue. Now, Jira will show you a selection of work types you can add. Among these, find the one labeled Bugs along with a short description, usually something like Track Problems or Errors. This is the template specifically designed for defect tracking. Click on Bugs to select it. Choosing this ensures that your new issues will use fields and workflows that make sense for reporting and managing errors. Finally, once Bugs is selected, look for the confirmation button labeled Add. Click on Add to save this new work type to your project. After this, the bug issue type will be available whenever you create new work in that project, making it easy for your team to report and track problems in a consistent way. And that's it. You've successfully configured your project so you can create bugs in Jira and keep your defect